Hello and welcome to my latest video. Today we're going to be talking about a new Instagram Stories update. Today I discovered that they've released some new font options inside your Instagram Stories, which is going to allow you to wow your Stories followers. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital visibility strategist and tech coach, and I love to empower you to know how to use the tools at your fingertips to get your business more visible and online and in front of your ideal audience. So if you like to find out the most recent updates on Instagram and Facebook, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you want notification of the next time I upload a video. So if you're using Instagram Stories as a business tool, then this tutorial will help you navigate the new fonts and how you can use them inside your stories to make your stories wow your followers. Okay, so you can see my mobile phone on the screen in front of you. Now, the first thing you want to do to make sure that you have the new font and text features is to actually go to the App Store or the Play Store and update your Instagram app. Now, to do that, you just need to go to the App Store and type in Instagram. Once you've typed in Instagram, make sure you hit that button and you'll see whether your Instagram app needs updating or not. Mine doesn't need updating because that's how I discovered this new feature. But if yours hasn't been updated, it will see update. All you need to do is click that button and give it a couple of minutes to update the Instagram app. And then you'll be able to go into your Instagram stories and use the new text and font features. Okay, so let's jump into my Instagram account. So don't forget that if you haven't followed my Instagram account, you can follow it at _Anita_Wong, and I'd love for you to follow me there too. Now, to access your stories, you need to go to the home key at the very bottom left, and then you need to swipe your screen to the right. This is where you can actually take a photograph. So there's me on the screen, or you can upload a plain text if you want to. I'm going to just take a quick picture of my base on my desk so that I can show you all the awesome font features that we've got. Now, to find the new text features, all you need to do is go up to the top right hand corner where the capital A lowercase a is and click that. Then you need to write in what you would like to write in. So now, as you can see at the very bottom, you have this selection of fonts. So I'm just going to swipe to the left hand side. This is one of the first fonts that you have. And as you can see from the swipe along at the bottom, you can change these fonts up quite considerably. I just want to let you know about the other little features at the top. So as you can see, you can align your text like you normally do by clicking the Align Text button. You can also change the color of the text by clicking the color wheel and choosing one of the colors that are available to you inside Instagram. Or if you want to choose a different color, you can hit the Doppler button on the left and choose a color from your image. I'm just going to go for this nice orange color at the moment. Once you've done your color, you need to click the color symbol again, which is the middle option. Now, to see what types of text Instagram have introduced to their stories, I'm going to just go along the bottom feature. So we're going to go to this one. So as you can see, that's a nice feature. Then we have some script. Let me just make that a little bit bigger. And then we have some other fonts. So they've got quite a few different fonts as you go through the options. But that's not all you can do with these fonts. Instagram has also got the background feature. So if we go straight back to the beginning and we go to the top right hand option with the capital A and the stars, if we click that once, as you can see, it's given a white background to my text. If I click it again, it's actually swapped the colors around and given an orange background with a white text. Now, if we jump to the next option, we can go through and see that this one is absolutely awesome. I'm just going to change the color so it pops a little bit more on the screen. Let's do a white. And as you can see, by putting a background on this, it's actually made the text become empty inside. So as you can see, you've got solid text here, and then you have empty text with the white border, which is an awesome feature. And I think this is going to be used really a lot inside your stories. The next feature is the script. Now, the script doesn't have a background to it. So the only way to really make your script pop is to make it as big as possible on your screen by pulling the lever up the top left-hand side up and down to change the size of your text. If we move along to the next text option, we have this nice bold roundish cornered text. If we hit the background, we can see that it gives us the standard block text behind it. Go back and show you, that's given a black, white and black text. Let's move to the next option along, which is this slightly italic style. And then we go to the first option of the background. As you can see, it's given a slight border to this text. So I'm going to change the color so that you can see the border pop. So let's go back to that again. Let's take off the feature. So we've got pink text. We hit the background border once and it gives a 3-layer text. It's actually got a pink, an orange and a white on top of it. And then if I hit it again, it's now swapped those colors around to make this text a real 3D feature with some real depth to it, which is an awesome feature inside your stories. Let's jump to the next option. This is probably going to be one of my favorite font options because it gives you this splash of color in the background behind it. So when it's the standard text, you just have the standard slightly rounded font, and then you hit the background option and it gives you the pink on white, and then you go again and it gives you the white on pink. You can really play around with this feature. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on what style you would like to achieve inside your stories. Jumping to the next font option, we go to the left. This is a slightly more italic angled text. If we put the background font on, you can see that it makes it all capitals and it also gives it a nice background to make it pop. We hit it again and it swaps the colors over for you, keeping the background so that the font actually pops on your screen. Moving over to the next, you've got this nice capital font, very clean and crisp. Hit the background of it and you've got this round bubble style feature as a border. If I make it go bigger, you can see that it's given it a sort of roundish bubbly feature, which is awesome. Hit it again and it swaps the colors over. Show you a different color way, and then you can see that if I click it, you've got yellow font, yellow on white, and then white on yellow. Another awesome feature. Some really fantastic ways of making your business stories really pop inside your Instagram account. Then the final font feature gives this block of color behind your font. So let's just change it to the Instagram orange. There you've got this block of color behind your font, and then if you hit it again, that's what it's like before. You have pink on white, and then you have white on pink. So it's giving you lots of different options inside your stories to really make your Instagram stories pop. So here are all the features that were available inside the fonts. Now we've got some really good selections of different fonts that you can use, and you can really mix up these features as you wish inside of your Instagram stories. Now, as you can see, I've been playing around with my text on a plain background, but if you wanted to put the text on top of your images or your videos, then you've got a lot of selection inside your text options as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this short mini tutorial about the new Instagram text features available to you right now inside your Instagram app. If you are using your Instagram account as a business account, then you can also share these added Instagram stories features over to your Facebook business page stories as well. If you don't know about Facebook business page stories, I do encourage you to join my new Instagram and Facebook stories training group over on Facebook, and you can get to the link just there by hitting the card or inside the description of this video. Any questions whatsoever about this video and about using the text options inside your Instagram stories, please leave a comment underneath this video. Don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed this training, and if you would like to catch more trainings just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Anita Wong. I'm happy to answer your questions, so please feel free to pop them in the comments below, and I will see you at the next Instagram update.